And then Prabhupada says, this is called association. This is Vani Darshan. Now Vapu Darshan. That was Guru Vani Darshan. I'm always with you. I'm always keeping company. Just follow me. Follow your instructions strictly. Rise every day by 4 o'clock, chant 16 rounds, go to Mangalarti, serve the devotees, Vaishnava Seva, Namruchi, Jiva Doya. Express these terms in one way or another. Show mercy to the jivas. Preaching, this, that, anything. Show mercy. Somehow, give some prasad, do this, that. Jiva Doya. Compassion, mercy to the living entities. As our esteemed Professor Sharma is showing mercy to the scientific living entities. The jivas that have taken the line of science, he's putting his name on the line, his university on the line to support the movement of the Hare Krishna. This is big, this is impressive. Just by doing that, Krishna will take him back to Godhead. Because we're not a mainline group, we're not a very famous or appreciated group, but he has a prestigious university in Delhi, and he's opening the doors to Prabhupada's conception, to the Krishna conception. This is beautiful. This is surrender. There's nothing more dear to a man than his prestige. This is the most dear thing, the prestige.